What's up everyone, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today we're finna be replacing the passenger side mirror on this 2023 Honda HR-V. Alright, first step, let's pop off the trim cover by the mirror. You don't need any tools for this, just pull it off with your hand. Then grab your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the window switch panel and disconnect it from the door. Next, remove the screw inside the door panel. After that, gently pull the whole door panel away. Pull off the plastic cover and make sure to handle the black silicone carefully. This stuff can get messy, so make sure to have some gloves on. Next, locate the mirror connector and unplug it. And if one of the clips breaks, like it did for me, okay, I'll be real, I broke it. Just use some zip ties. Alright, keep an eye on how the wiring is mounted so you can match it up with the new mirror. quick note, the new mirrors don't always come with retainer clips, so you might have to reuse the old ones or just use some zip ties. Line up the new mirror with the mounting holes and tighten each nut to secure it in place. With the mirror all set, let's get the door panel back on. Line up the door panel with the clips and press it firmly back into place. If you got any of that black silicone on the mirror or trim, give it a quick clean and we're all done. And that's it. The new mirror looks great and everything works. If y'all found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.